Alright, so I'm Steven with RRR Racing, and today we're going to put on a 5-star door. We start by going to the bottom, and right in here this flat part is normally at 90 degrees, and I just put it in the brake and flatten it out. That way your rocker panel can sit on the inside of it. So we're just going to start by holding it up there and then clamping it. Just get everything lined up real good. Get it clamped. Get the front set. Make sure everything's sitting. Everything has a little notch to sit in, so you just want to make sure that everything's flush. That way your aerodynamics are on point. Otherwise, you'll probably run like a dog. So you just make sure everything's flat. The back of it never really lines up, so you kind of got to go in there and pull on the quarter panel to get it all to line up how you want it. Takes a little persuading on it. And you come down at the bottom, set your last clamp. And then, since this car has already been together and there's already holes in the quarter panel and the door brace, I'm just gonna go in from the back side and drill outwards. That way I can reuse all the holes and I don't end up with too many holes in it. And then go in and fill all your holes with some Clecos so you can start removing the clamps. And I always like to use backup washers. It just helps hold everything tight, especially with the fiberglass. The Clecos will tend to try and pull back through. All right, so up here at the top, clearance gets a little tight, and luckily we're in a pretty well-equipped shop, so we got these little dentist drills, and it just makes things a lot easier because I only have that much room to work with. But it's the same thing, I'm just drilling from the back side, that way I can keep all the same holes and filling them with Clecos as I go. And then up here at this top hole, I like to try and keep things simple. And I always work at a 1/2 inch and a 1/2 inch. It just makes things easy. So I'll just come in here and mark a 1/2 inch. Mark a 1/2 inch. And this one goes into the door support bar, so I can't drill from the bottom side. And then I'll finish out by going along here. I'll put one little countersink rivet in here, that way you can fit your fenders up and not disturb the door too much, and that's pretty much it. And that's it. So now whenever we're ready, we'll go back and rivet it, pull the Clecos out, put the rivets we want in there, hold the backup washers, pull them, and ready to go racing again.